The cocoa coins are so much better. They're so much easier to do. They're a lot less work and they come out so much better. You know, the roots, everything, it's just amazing.
My soil naturally with the clay particles locks out some phosphorus, and though we put some down in the fertilizer, they're just gonna help this little microbial inoculation, hopefully help process some pee, which will in turn lead to better root development early. A wise farmer once told me, if you know what you need, you never go in the field without it.
We're rocking 830 watt ions, probably 36 inches away, and it's still hitting almost 1,000. Another thing I love about these LEDs, man, is that there's no heat in here. It's like 75 degrees in here, man.
I've been running under canopies for about maybe a year now. Dialed in grow for about the last 2 to 3 months. The dialed in grows definitely have been like great. Seen great results.
What we've seen with the Char-Core, using the 3-liter biopods, we run our crop steering program in conjunction with environmental controls to get the optimization of the quality of resin. So really that 6-star bubble that we then turn into hash rosin, but also that yield of hash per square foot.
I just went straight drip. You know, I did a few algae things and tried to get cute last year with it. And I said, you know what, I'm just gonna run straight drip and see what happens. And the plants are bigger, so